Welcome to the Scuba Made YouTube channel.
Hey, welcome back to the channel. And I've just got a little job to do today. I'm just going to be putting these roof racks on that I got. I picked them up pretty cheap. I only paid like 50 for them, second hand, and they're not actually meant for a BMW, but I believe I can just make some little brackets and I should be able to get them in there. So there they are down there, and I'm going to be looking to put them up there. You might be able to tell here I've gone a bit extreme trying to get myself a bit of shade, but it's super hot around here now, and I get sunburned really easily, so I've got some shade, and that'll help protect me from the sun, and I should be able to get a bit more work done during the day while the sun's out. So anyway, let's get to it. Let's put these on. So the cool thing about the BMW is it has these little, as you can see there, these little bolt holes, like nuts already in the roof, so you can easily get the roof racks in. So I've made this little bracket. I don't know if you can see it too well here, but it's just because the roof racks aren't meant for, they're not meant for the BMW, so I just had to make these little brackets, and then it's just a bent over piece of alloy with a hole in it and a little screw through it. So once I screw that on, I can put the roof racks on. So let's get to it. Okay, so I got my screwdriver now. I'm just going to give these a quick wipe. Unfortunately, this bit broke off, but I'm not so worried about that because I'm putting roof racks in anyway. But yeah, we'll just give this a quick wipe, and then maybe keep this in the glove box or something. I don't know. But anyway, not so important. And these should go in there just like that. Right, just get it nice and tight. Okay, it's pretty tight. Now just repeat that process on the other four. So let's go. There we go. That's all four corners in. So let's get to the roof racks. Which way do these go? Front left, front right. Okay, looks like that there says front right, and that there says front left. So I'd say it goes on this way, something roughly like that. Okay, now the feet, I don't know if you can see that there, but the feet, they kind of have this little groove here, which is what I want to hook into these little bits I've made. They should just hook in like that, and then this bit comes out, and then we just wind. Oh, what was that? Something fell down. Oh. We just wind this until it gets nice and tight. That feels pretty tight. Okay, so I didn't put this in there. I'll just put it in. Alright, that's that one in. Let's go and do the other side. Okay. It's a little off-centered, as you can see there. So let's just try and get this. Oh, I see, we've got to lift that bit up. Lift that bit up at the back. There, that bit. There we go. Now we can jiggle it a bit. Get it to where we need it. There we go. A little bit difficult, that's okay. Tighten this one up. Feeling pretty secure now. It's awesome. Put that in there like that. Sweet. Okay, I'd say that's the front one on. Cool. Let's put the back one on. Rear right, which would be that side, and rear left. I presume that's what RL means. So yeah, probably just a good idea to flick that one up. Didn't do that before. I think that'll make it a bit easier. Okay, and then just pop this one on. I don't know where exactly they need to be, but yeah, we'll give it a go. Oh, these ones are way too big. Oh, oops. Just slide that in there like that. That one there. Flip that over. Before I tighten it, I'll just try and make sure it's looking pretty cool. Yeah, I'll just try and make sure they're kind of even, because they do hang over the edge a little bit. So, move this one. Okay, after just a little bit of confusion there, this bit was actually seized, so I had to free it up because I did buy them second hand and they've probably been sitting for a while. So I think now I've got it pretty much, they're pretty much in the right spot, I think. I don't know, looks about right, I guess. Just tighten them up. Tighten that last one up and I think I've got roof racks. Just get it lined up there. Right. Put that in. They feel really tight now. Okay, I'm pretty happy with that. Looks like they're in. They feel really tight. But unfortunately, I broke both the little clips off this side, which sucks. I don't know why you can still see that, but on this one you can't. Well, I'm really happy with that. They're on there. They look cool. And I'll be able to put probably, like, I don't know, a ladder or a wheelbarrow or something cool up there. So that's my new roof racks. I don't know if I'll leave them on there. It's not super hard to take them on and off, I guess, but I did break two of those little plastic bits, so I need to fix that. Anyway, I might end the video there. Thanks for watching, guys, and as always, if you feel like it, leave a comment or a like, and be sure to subscribe and just wait for the next video. So thanks again for watching. I'll see you next time.